The National Human Rights Commission is expected to arrive in next 48 hours and meet different people, and there will be different delegations which will be meeting different people, especially the affected ones, and taking a cognizance of the violence that has taken place. Remember, there has been a series of violence in Murshidabad, various places in Murshidabad as well as Bhangod in South 24 Parganas after the Waqf protest became violent and had resulted in death of two people, especially from a community that had raised more questions on the administration and the government of West Bengal too. Precisely why NHRC has taken cognizance, stating that they will be filing a report of a violation of human rights on ground, and on the basis of that, action will be initiated. Now, these are complaints from people, and that is what will be the basis of the report that will be filed. Interestingly, even today, an eerie silence prevails in various districts of West Bengal, especially Malda and Murshidabad. I am in Malda. Yesterday was Poila Boishakh, which is the Bengali New Year, and the celebrations were a little more somber than expected, especially because there were more than 400 people living in the schools that have been set up as refugee camps, rather as just makeshift arrangements for those who have been fleeing from Murshidabad to Malda district. Remember, the distance might be just 50 kilometers from Murshidabad to Malda, but the confidence level has gone down for decades, for especially people who feel that they will be feeling safer only if there are BSF camps in Murshidabad around their houses. Imagine people leaving almost everything that they've earned and living in these camps. However, the government says that they're confident of bringing them back home very soon.